Hi everybody, I'm working on a 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and if you want to replace the rotors and these things, it's quite interesting. I already did the other side and I thought it would be kind of interesting and helpful to do. So as you know, there's only two bolts that you have to remove for the caliper, to remove the bracket that holds the caliper. This is one, so number 12, and the other one, it's right in there. So if you try to remove this, you can do that, but then when you try to remove the bolt, it touches here on the shock. You see, right, that bolt right there, right here that I'm touching. If you take it out, it touches here on the shock, so you have to remove the whole shock and another bolt down there, and then it's a pain in the ass to take this out of there. But on the other side, I tried to do that. I even removed the shock and all these bolts for no reason. You can actually just go with a little 12 wrench like that. I already have it loose, and you have to bend this sheet metal. You have to bend those, and when you bend that, this sheet metal, you're gonna be able to out and remove these bolts first. You have to remove these ones first. This has to. The rotor is gonna start moving toward you. You can even hit it before you start removing this bolt, because it's just the bolt gonna start going out, and the rotor is gonna stay stuck still. So you can hit it first and then remove all the way this one. You're gonna have to force it out and to force it in, but it's possible. It's just like a couple of threads that is stuck on the bracket right here. Right there. I'm gonna show you when I'm almost done doing it. Okay, I already have the bolt removed. It's right in this gap. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pry with this flat screwdriver, kind of big, so I can clear the bolt, and I'm gonna slide the bracket out. I have to, you see, and that's how it come out. Now I'm gonna show you this stupid design. The bolt is right there. See, it comes in and out, but it touches right there. I don't even know if you can see. It's behind that shit. So all I did is I went up there in there with the number 12, and I went like that. I went like that until I had it all the way out, and that's when I was all the way out with the bolt, there's a couple of threads still stuck here on the bracket, on this hole right here. So you have to pry it out and slide it up. I hope this help you guys. Well, I'm gonna show you how I put it back. I'm gonna replace the rotor first. Okay, I already cleaned and put the new rotor in. I haven't installed the screws yet, because you're gonna need that wiggle. So I might just put this in there, and what I did is I'm gonna hammer in. You put it right in front of the bolt and you hammer in till it goes that right there. It went right to the hole, right there. You see, now I can start tightening it, and you should go in there no problem. But guys, I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe, and I really want to help people, so I hope this helped.